In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for your business. This powerful tool can revolutionize how you manage projects, collaborate with your team, and streamline your daily operations. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to head over to Notion's website. It's your hub for everything we'll be working on today. Once you're there, look for the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and it'll bring you to the login interface. Now, for ease and security, we'll use Google to log in. Once you click the Google option, it will direct you to a familiar Google sign-in page. Here, you'll need to select your account. Make sure it's the account associated with your business for a seamless integration. Once you've done this, you'll be directed back into Notion. Next up, let's explore something exciting: Notion AI. This feature is a game changer for automating tasks. You can use Notion AI to generate templates tailored for your business needs. In this walkthrough, we're going to create a finance tracker. It's designed to help you monitor your business finances effectively. So head over to Notion AI and type in "generate a finance tracker for," followed by the specific name or type of business you have. This simple command will allow you to harness the power of AI to craft a finance tracking template automatically. Once Notion has generated your finance tracker, look over to the left side panel of your screen. You'll see your newly created template appear there. Click on it to open and explore its contents. What makes Notion truly adaptable is its flexibility. You can easily customize this finance tracker to suit your business requirements. Dive into the template and edit any values, adjust the properties, or eliminate any sections that don't serve your needs. Tailoring these elements will ensure the tool works exactly how you want it to, making it an invaluable asset for your business operations. In summary, leveraging Notion for your business is all about exploring its features and adapting it to your workflow. With tools like automatic template generation through Notion AI, you can save time and focus on more strategic tasks. The key is to spend some time customizing the templates and getting familiar with the interface, and once you do, you'll find managing your business processes becomes that much easier. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and can now make the most of Notion for your business initiatives. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing.